Once your service is complete, you'll be ready to break down, clean, and sanitize both the Petite and DiamondTome wand. To begin, detach the diamond tip wand from the HEPA tubing. Then, remove the HEPA filter from the filter base and detach the HEPA tubing. And finally, remove the used filter disc with a pair of tweezers and dispose of it as a biohazard. To clean and disinfect your diamond tip wand, first soak it in enzymatic solution for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the wand from the enzymatic solution and thoroughly scrub the diamond tip with the brass brush using hot water and soap. Next, soak the diamond tip wand in disinfection solution for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the wand from the disinfection solution. Rinse it with water and set it upright to dry. Care and cleaning for the DiamondTome Petite system is simple. Just wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth and mild liquid detergent. Do not use harsh cleansers or disinfectants because they may cause corrosion.